Here's another Latino American sweet bread recipe made with sourdough starter called gusanitos, which means little worms, because the shape of the bread resembles a worm. Despite its unappetizing name, this is a delicious bread and very easy to make. Enjoy! Pour 150 grams or half a cup of milk in the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 100 grams or 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough starter at 50% hydration. Add 80 grams or 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 300 grams or 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Feed the stand mixer with the hook attachment and mix all the ingredients at low speed until all the ingredients are well incorporated and you have a cohesive dough. Add 110 grams or a stick of unsalted butter at room temperature cut in pieces. Add all the pieces of butter one by one as you keep mixing. Let each piece of butter incorporate well in the dough before adding the next piece of butter. Then add 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix for about 20 to 30 minutes until the dough pulls off the walls of the bowl and it is soft and elastic. Place the dough on your working table and stretch and fold it on itself one last time to add tension and strength to the dough. Make a bowl with the dough and place it in a grease-proofing bowl. Cover the dough with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap and place the dough in the fridge overnight. The next morning, prepare the filling for your bread. In a mixing bowl, place 100 grams or half a cup of vegetable shortening. Add 100 grams or 1 cup of powdered sugar and 100 grams or half a cup of all-purpose flour. Use a silicone spatula to start mixing all the ingredients. Then, use your hands to press the ingredients together to combine the ingredients until you have a plate dough consistency. Now, get the dough out of the fridge and divide it in 8 equal pieces. I recommend you to use a kitchen scale to have equal sized pieces. Now, make balls of dough by rolling the dough on your working table in a circular motion. You can use both hands to speed up the process. Cover the dough with a kitchen towel and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your dough should be relaxed and ready to shape. So take the sweet paste filling for your bread and divide it in 8 equal portions. To shape this bread, take a bowl of dough and press it down with your hand. Use a rolling pin to extend the dough until the dough is around 8 inches or 20 centimeters long. Place a piece of sweet paste filling on one of the extremes of the dough. Press the sweet paste filling with your hands and use a pizza cutter or a knife to make cuts on the dough. Make sure to not cut the dough all the way through. Roll the opposite side of the dough to make a roll shape, and now your bread is shaped. Place the dough on a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Cover the dough with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap and let the dough proof for about 6 to 8 hours or until the dough doubles in size. Brush the dough with egg wash on all the surface of the dough and sprinkle sesame seeds on top of the bread. Place in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes or until your bread is golden brown. This sweet bread is delicious and very easy to make. I hope you can try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week.